Zorin OS and Linux Mint are both popular Ubuntu-based distributions aimed at newcomers and everyday users. When it comes to performance, Linux Mint tends to be lighter, especially when using its XFCE or MATE desktop editions. These environments are designed to be resource efficient, running smoothly on older or less powerful computers. Linux Mint is also known for its reliability, simplicity, and large supportive community. Zorin OS, on the other hand, offers a more modern and Windows like interface with additional visual effects and animations. This makes Zorin visually appealing but slightly more demanding on system resources, particularly in its core and pro editions. While Zorin provides an easier transition for Windows users, it may feel slower on older hardware compared to Mint. If performance and resource efficiency are your priority, Linux Mint is a solid choice. But if you want a polished and familiar Windows-style desktop with more modern features, Zorin OS is worth considering, as long as your hardware can handle it.